Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video I'll be opening up a few Supreme packages. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, starting off with the first Supreme package, I'm just going to open it up and show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, as you guys can see, normal Supreme bag. And this is actually from the Public Enemy collab. And first up, oh shit, looks like it came with a poster. Public Enemy X Supreme poster, which is pretty cool. I was not expecting this, I was just expecting some stickers. But you know, all the free stuff's pretty cool because you don't pay for it. It's just nice to get something extra. And there is, of course, some Supreme stickers. Fear of Public Enemy blanket sticker. And the really cool brand new box logo. And I'll open this up and show you guys real fast. Alright guys, as you can see, this sticker is freaking dope. I'm probably just gonna put this in like my table where I keep all my Supreme stickers. And yeah, you know, it's just really fire. Then I also got one normal Supreme box logo sticker, the red one. And let's see what else. I got the Fear of a Black Planet sticker. That looks like the blanket. And I got the Counterattack on the World Supreme, which is pretty cool. But let's look at the shirt. So this is the Public Enemy shirt. As you guys can see, it's in a large. And I'll show you guys a picture because I actually plan on reselling this. So I can't really take it out of the packaging at this moment. But you know, I'll show you guys the picture, and you know, it's a pretty dope piece. But again, I'm not the biggest Public Enemy fan, so I'm not gonna really rock with this. I don't really, you know, fuck with it too much. But let's get on to the next piece. Alright guys, so let's get into the second package. So I'm just gonna open this thing up and show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so they gave me like an oversized bag. I guess that they ran out of the normal size ones. But as you guys can see, I got another poster. Let me just check to see the same one. Yep, the same exact one. And let's see this, like, what kind of stickers I got. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So as you guys can see, I got two regular box logo stickers. Oh, some Fuck the World stickers. As you guys can see, it's in really small font, just says Fuck the World. And I also got some Supreme Poppy Seeds. And if you guys checked out my other video, I actually planted a bunch of these, and I'll show you guys like how they're doing soon. And yeah, that's pretty cool. But let's get into the actual product that I ordered. So this is the Counterattack on the World Supremacy, and size large, black. And yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll open this up and show you guys, because I actually read the StockX thing and it says brand new. And honestly, like, something can be out of the package and still be brand new, as long as, you know, you could probably even wear it and still say it's brand new. But this thing's freaking sick. As you guys can see on the front, the Counterattack on the World Supremacy. But the back of the shirt is freaking awesome. It has the Public Enemy album cover. And I'm not the biggest fan of Public Enemy. Like, honestly, I didn't really listen to a lot of their music. But the back of this shirt is freaking awesome. And honestly, I think that it's just like a really dope thing. Even though it's like, it's a really old album cover, so as you guys can see, it's a little fuzzy. But it does still look really sick. It's a nice graphic. And guys, don't forget, for every 50 new subscribers I get, I will be giving away 5 of these Supreme stickers. So if you guys want that, you know, just tell people to subscribe or whatever. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.